Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one, we are taking a closer look at a new light by a brand called Tolifo. This one here is a light stick and it is the ST-60W RGB. So I have with me a brand new light from a brand called Tolifo. So this is a lesser known brand. And full disclosure, we have been sent this light here for review. However, all of my thoughts and opinions are completely our own and they haven't asked us to say anything in particular. So we are unboxing and taking a closer look at this one. So this is a light stick. It looks like a really similar light fixture to some that we've seen in the past, including the Godox LC500R. However, there are a few features here on this light which make the color metrics and the specs look a little bit more of an advanced light overall. So firstly, you have the CCT range, which is 2700 Kelvin to 10,000 Kelvin. So you have quite a wide range there for CCT. You also have a max output of 30 watts, as well as 60 watts. So there must be some sort of boost mode in this, which we'll take a closer look at. You also have a CRI rating of 97, you can see here on the side of the box. TLCI rating of 98. You have app control via Tolifo's own app, which is called Link Light. And you have a built-in lithium-ion battery, which is always nice. It means it's portable. You also have effects modes here, and included, we'll take a closer look shortly. However, you've got the light, you've got barn doors, you've got a charger, and you also have a Type-C cable that's optional, and also a carry bag that is optional. So let's open this up and take a look. So despite it saying optional, we can see a carry bag here, and it's got the Tolifo branding there as well. It's a nice carry bag. We're all making these nice cases for these lights now. And it's a zipper opening, and you've got quite a few things here. Firstly, you've got the user guide, ST-60 watt. Okay, so it's actually just the 60 watt light fixture. There is a 30 watt variant, which is why it was listed as 30 watts or 60 watts. So that's something to take note of. You can get a smaller one with less output. You have the app control instructions. That's for that Link Light app. You have a USB Type A to Type C cable. You have a power cable. You may need an adapter. Some of these have different plugs. And you have the light fixture itself. There we go. And you can see the barn doors, although listed as a separate item, are already pre-installed. Similar to Godox's LC500R, I believe, you can actually pop these off too, I'm sure. So you can pop these off just like that. There's some notches here that line up to the barn door. You can pop it off and have the light fixture as completely bare, just like that. Now you do have a layer of diffusion with the light fixture there, so it's not directly the bulbs, so it will be a diffused light. And the overall design is quite nice. It's got like a silver back here. You've got the on button. It's pretty responsive. You hold to turn off, press, you've got the logo, and then it turns on immediately. And then it looks like you got kind of like a D-pad here, as well as two buttons at the top. Okay, so I have the ST-60 watt RGB LED light stick on a light stand here. So firstly, there's a 1/4 inch thread at the bottom here that allow you to mount it to stands or brackets or anything like that. And you have the internal lithium ion battery that's chargeable here via the provided cable. You also have USB Type-C provided too. And I believe the plug here, you're able to charge this. It's a USB Type A to Type C, so I think you'd be needing a higher powered one, at least 20 watts there to get that charged up. But to operate the light, simply hold the on button there. You got the light on. The display shows CCT mode. It's got dimming, CCT range, that huge range from 2700 all the way up to 10,000 Kelvin there. It's huge, quite cool, as you can see. And you can jump into a different mode by pressing the mode button, and also cycle through the different options of that particular mode by pressing this down button that looks like a sort of transfer symbol. You can go from dimming to CCT, and then also you have a green magenta color shift that you can shift plus all the way up to plus 30, I believe. Here we go, plus 30 and minus 30 as well. So if you need to fine tune the color, so that's something that Tolifo seem to be working on, is ensuring that the light metrics and the overall light quality from their fixtures are really accurate. And jumping into mode, you get the HSI mode, typical hue, saturation, and intensity, just jumping through the color chart there from 0 to 360 degrees to change that color. So that's really cool. These light sticks are really good for their shape predominantly. So, you know, it's quite long, so the throw of light is wide, but the ability to use RGB is also nice to use as an accent light. We're actually using a light stick right now to the left of me here as a rim light because we find it so versatile, and then we have used it for, you know, just adding a bit of color to a scene if needed. And jumping into the other mode, you can see that just jumps into the menu, it shows you the version, the language, and that's it. Now, if you want to go straight into max mode, it actually does have a max mode. So I mentioned that in the beginning. It is still a 60-watt light fixture, however, it has that max mode that gives you max output there for a particular color temp range. So if I have that on 10,000 Kelvin, it'll do that. So let's jump into HSI mode and see if we can get max mode. Yep, so it looks like you can get max mode, but what I did notice is max mode is actually a more of a purple tone here. So even if I had it set on red, as you can see, let's just jump it to a completely different color altogether. So let's say that it's on blue. If I press max mode, oh yeah, it does actually slightly increase in intensity with max mode. So that's really cool. You can sort of get a bit more output if you need to, especially if you're in a low light situation and you just want a little bit more output. That's a good button to have there. And you obviously have Bluetooth mode too. So Bluetooth allows you to control the light, which is great, especially if you have this set up on a stand or if you have it set up on a wall mount, or you don't have access to the back controls here. The app's always a good option. Then simply turning it off gives you that option. Now cycling through the effects. Now to get into the effects, there's actually two ways you can do that. Firstly, if you're in CCT mode, if you press effects, then it will go through the CCT effects only. So you have pulse as an example, lightning. Got a total of 12 effects on the CCT effects. Then if you jump into HSI mode and you press effects, you got another 8 effects here. Now the RGB effects are obviously a bit more believable because, you know, they added an element of color to the effect, like this one here being police car. So overall, quite a few different lighting options and effects with this particular light. Now, the fact that it is such an accurate light, it has that huge color temperature range, it's portable, it has the lighting effects. You also have the ability to power this via USB Type-C, so if you're in a pinch, if you have a power bank, you can power that as well. You have the AC adapter. You also have these barn doors too, so if we turn that off, the ability to obviously control the light a bit more with the barn doors is always a good feature, a good option to have. So you can slide that on, click that into place, and now you can direct the light or cut the light a bit more if you need to. People have also placed or ball clipped some baking paper over there, or just like a diffusion sheet if you wanted to further diffuse the light too. So really just an overall useful light fixture to have. Now we have had a closer look at some of Tolifo's COB lights. If you want to take a closer look at those ones, click the link up above. Now pairing this with those COB lights that I just mentioned would be a great option, because this would really be used as, you know, an additional light to that kit, perhaps an accent light, perhaps a creative light, because it does have all those RGB features. So yeah, just a really good addition to the range of lights that a Tolifo are offering. Now, why would you purchase from a brand like Tolifo as opposed to some other better known brands? Well, firstly, their price point is actually quite competitive for the type of quality of light they produce. This light fixture is about $200 US, and here in Australia would probably be equivalent to about 350 Australian dollars. So it is a fairly decently priced light for what you get. I mean, 60 watts of output is quite a lot. A lot of popular light fixtures such as Godox SL60 Mark II-D. You've also got the Amaran COB60D. Those are all 60 watt lights, and this is a 60 watt equivalent light. Some of the other ones from the market, such as the Godox LC500R, they aren't 60 watt equivalent. So the output is quite strong with this light. It has that powerful battery. It also has all those features, and it's at a decent price point competitive to some better known brands there. So it is a good option to look at for a lighting fixture. So that was our look and quick review of the new ST-60W RGB light stick by Tolifo. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the ST-60W RGB or Tolifo in general. Follow us on socials, the links are down below, and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Thanks for watching.